Hello, grade 9. We'll do exercise 2.3. But before that, doing exercise 2.3, you have to know the remainder theorem. It's all about remainder theorem. According to remainder theorem, if px is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, it must be a polynomial with some degree. It must be 1 or more. And px is divided by a polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is pa. The remainder become pa. If I give the example, it will be more clear. Suppose this is a px, it's a polynomial greater than degree 1 or more. See, the degree is 2. And you're dividing by gx. Here it says x minus a. I'm just taking one value, x minus 1. Then pa become the polynomial. That means p1 become the remainder. Okay. Then the remainder become pa. That means 1. But how we get the value 1? By taking this one as 0. How we take? We'll take just x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to, if minus 1 comes there, it will become plus 1. That means the remainder will be p1. Whatever the value of x we get, we put the value. In this case, a. If we divide by x minus a, pa is the polynomial. So how to find the remainder? Just put the value 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 5. Wherever x is 0, putting 1, we're getting 1 minus 7 plus 5. So 1 plus 6 is, 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 7 is minus 1. So this is the remainder of the this polynomial when you divide by x minus 1. I hope you are clear. Once again, when px is divided by x minus a, then pa become the remainder. Simple statement. Pause the video to write it down. We'll do exercise 2.3 question number 1 in more detail. This is exercise 2.3 question number 1 for grade 9 based on remainder theorem. Find the remainder when this is divided by x plus 1. So what we'll write this one as px. We can write px equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. And this one, the divisor will take as gx equal to x plus 1. Then what will be the remainder? We have to find the value of x. How will you find the value of x? This is a rough work. We'll just take this value as 0. So if I take 1 on the other side, this will become plus 1 will become minus 1. That means the value of x is minus 1. To find the remainder, that you have to find p negative 1. Because x we got negative 1, so remainder will be p minus 1. So wherever you see x, you put minus 1. 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 cube is 1, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 only. Plus, in a square, the negative number also become positive. So it will be minus 1 square will be 1 only. There 3 into 1 is 3. Since minus is there, minus 3 plus 1. You're getting minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 3 is 0. So we get the remainder as 0. That means it's completely divisible. Next, let's do that next question. Px is already given. I wrote as in the question, px is this one, but the gx question number 2 is given x minus half. So how to find? Rough work. We'll take x minus half equal to 0. So x will be 1 by 2. Half goes there, 1 by 2. So the remainder will be, you can write here, therefore remainder equal to 0. Here also we'll find p half. The value of x is half. That will be the remainder. So wherever you see x, you'll put half cube plus 3 into half square plus 3 into half plus 1. So 1 cube is 1, 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 plus 3 into 1 square is 1 by 4 plus 3 1 times 3 by 2 plus 1. So how much you're getting? 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Take the LCM now. LCM is 8. 8 how many times? 1. 1 1 times 1. 4 how many times is 8? 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 how many times is 8? 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Here no number is 1. 1 how many times is 8? 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So we are getting 27 by 8. So remainder is, when you divide this by this, the remainder will be 27 by 8. Let's go to the other question of question number 1. Here gx is given x only, that means x is 0. So remainder will be p0. So wherever you see x, put 0. 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 cube is 0. 3 into 0 will be again 0. 0 plus 1. So remainder is 1. Equal to 1. So here, rough work, we'll take this one as 0. X plus pi equal to 0. So x will be, pi goes there, negative pi. So remainder will be minus pi. Put the value. X is minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So minus pi cube will be cube only. This will be positive square. Negative number is positive, so 3 pi square. Here minus 3 pi, 3 into negative number, minus 3 pi plus 1. So remainder is, we cannot solve anymore here. So remainder will be minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Let's do the last one. We do the rough work. This one will take 0 to find the value of x. 5 plus 2x equal to 0. So 2x is, 5 goes there, minus 5. X will be minus 5 by 2 will come down. So value of x is minus 5 by 2. So remainder will be p minus 5 by 2. Whatever answer we'll get will be the remainder. In place of x, we'll put minus 5 by 2. 3 into minus 5 by 2. 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Wherever there is x, we have put minus 5 by 2. So cube it. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. In a cube number, negative is negative. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 into, in a square number, it's positive. Negative become positive. So 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. Minus 3 into 5 is 15 by 2. See, plus minus is minus. Plus 1. Minus 125 by 8 plus 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Take the LCM. LCM is 8 again. 8, how many times is 8? 1 time. If I multiply by 1, 125. 4, how many times is 8? 2 times. 2 into 75 is 150. 3, how many times is 8? 4. 4 into 15 is 60. 1, how many times is 8? 8 times 8 ones are 8. So we can add this to 158. 150 and 8 is positive sign, so 158. Negative sign also we can add it. It will be 185 by 8. Subtract this. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Minus 27 by 8. So this is the final answer. You can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.